Hi, my name is Kees. I run Stroud Micro Dairy. We are a raw milk dairy cooperative where cows keep their calves at foot, and we provide raw milk, yoghurt, raw milk kefir for our members and people of Stroud. We got our first start by asking the members of Stroud Community Agriculture, our neighbours, whether any of them would like milk. We continue to help other local businesses through our membership, so it has helped us to grow and we help others to grow. First off, I support what Stroud does. I want it to work. It's the way things should be. Well, we have about 300 members now, a little over, and we would like to see that double over the next 3 to 4 years. That would mean that we could offer a decent product range to our members. It would mean that raw milk will be here to stay in Stroud and remain resilient. And I guess resilience is one of these things that Stroud is all about too. Most people in local food that care about the environment, I'm ideological driven, I for better or worse. That's why I got into this, to heal soil. The emissions that producing milk and any of the other products we sell create, and have that balance positive, means that we can only do more good, and that's incredibly liberating. I think my vision for local food here is just to be more present, visible and in your face. To it be the de facto rather than the nice to have.